Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Android apps to your MacBook. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, open the browser you're using in your MacBook. So you just have to type here on the search BlueStacks. Once you got the result, just click to open the website and directly click on the blue button you got here on the official website of BlueStacks Air. So your download will start like this, and wait a few seconds until you get the download setup of the BlueStacks here on the browser. Then double click to open, then continue, install, and then you're gonna use the passcode of your MacBook. And here you go, the installation was successful. Just close this and move to trash. Find out the BlueStacks from the applications, then open it. Once it's open, that you have to go on my games, then you go system apps, and you will find out the Play Store. Now time to sign in to our Gmail account. Let me sign it. Once I just sign into my Gmail account, you can see I got all the apps and games that I have here on Play Store. So this is all about how to install and play the Android games in your MacBook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.